Well, I am ninja, he's ninja, she is ninja too. I am ninja, we are ninja, but I believe that you are ninja too.
Edward from England asks a ninja! Will the ninja be busting the Omni anytime soon? Is that riding an elevator? Or maybe it's eating something very, very bland? Busting an Omni. Oh, busting an Omni episode. Boy, those Brits sure have some dogs bullock 6s and 7s in their pub pots. I have no idea what that means, but here comes Omni World! Hey-ya! Why is it you can't do a world tour? Did one! Ninja Palooza! 45 cities, 2 days? Nobody saw us. How many chicks can you pick up in a single evening? My record is 2,000, which incidentally is also the number of chicks that I put down in a single evening. It was the same evening. Why do you love it to kill? I don't. I love to kill it. Is it possible to be a part-time ninja? Yeah, about as possible as it is to be a part-time lover. It doesn't work. I want to ask this girl out, but I don't know if she likes me. Do you have any ninja tips? A lot of women like men who are like their fathers. So, by that logic, ask her mom out. If she says yes, there's a good chance her daughter will too. Do ninjas go to the beach? Oh yeah, but I have to remember to put my sunblock on. 100% UV protection, and it keeps me from getting the weird tan line. What are the signs that a ninja is responsible for someone lying on the floor to pool blood? The signs are there are no signs. The profile doesn't fit the profile. You're getting too close to this one, Lewis. Back off. Are there any good signs to not being a ninja? You get the pleasure of being killed by a ninja. No, that is a bad deal. Never mind. What is something you would not say in a job interview? I wouldn't say anything. If I'm there, I'm probably there to kill the interviewer or the interviewee or both. I just sit there behind the stapler and wait for the where do you see yourself in 5 years part. I love irony. Why is there a hole in the middle of almost all shurikens? In case you swallow one, you can still breathe. What do you do if a ninja's about to kill you? Live for a very, very little while longer. Will you make a movie called Alien vs. Predator vs. Ninja? Technically, it's a documentary, but I'm working on it. Hoping to take it to Khan. James Khan. I think he'd like it. Do you have any advice for a ninja coming out of the closet? Well, first of all, you gotta kill the monsters in the closet. My goodness, those things are feasting on children's blood. I mean it, kids. They're after you. Monsters Inc. was a lie. You have beautiful eyes. Oh, how did that get in there? That's not a question. Can a ninja kill somebody in the middle of the day in broad sunlight who's standing in the desert without that person knowing that it was a ninja who killed him? Yeah, but does it matter? Where did the name ninja come from? It is the only word ever that has no traceable origins. That's why it's ninja. How do you feel about the term ninja looting? I do have to say, I think loot's a very funny word. It just gets more fun each time you say it. But the term ninja looting is deeply offensive, and it hurts each time I hear it. Loot, loot, loot. How do ninjas break up with psychotic? Stalker won't take no for an answer. If I can't have you, no one will. Ninja girlfriends. If at all possible, go back in time and kidnap yourself from ever meeting that person. If that doesn't work, just break them up. If you would have any power for the show Heroes, what one would you take? Probably executive producer. They seem to make the most money and they don't really have to do anything. Who is the ninja's #1 enemy? The next one. We gotta work on the Delhi system, not the new Delhi system. That's just plain wrong. I'm talking to you, Mumbai. What exactly is a ninja schnuff? It's when a ninja hides in your pajamas and then right as you're about to fall asleep, thrusts a sword through you. Schnoof! Dude, what is up with that? What, that? I don't know, it's just always been there. Oh, you mean that? Holy crap. I really want to know if you ninjas can act like normal people. There are no normal people. Everybody is a weirdo freak, except you, which makes you a weirdo freak. Are there ninjas in Germany? That forest didn't get black by itself. Do ninjas ever use metaphors? Are you kidding? When it comes to metaphors, ninjas are flying lions with blue horns that shoot truth. Metaphor. Do ninjas feel pain? Not as much as you're gonna. Is it possible to chop someone's head off with a pancake? Regular pancakes, it's gonna be tough. A ninja usually uses a slapjack, or a flapjack, or a crackjack. What is your stance on spamming? It's horrible. The only thing more offensive are the super low mortgage rates I can offer you if you decide to refinance today. Los ninjas tienen alguna manera de conquistar chicas. Oui? Hey. Okay. Where do ninjas live? In a constant state of awareness, similar to awareness, but we're already there. Will you come on my radio show for Behind Big Brother? I've already been there. I was just up and to the right of your big brother. And by the way, her brother is huge. You can't tell on the radio, but he's like swallowing microphones and eating chairs. Guy's big. Who does a ninja turn for when he needs to ask a question? We spend an entire month trans-meditating into the golden realm of knowledge. Or we just check it on Ninjapedia. Why are German telecommunication companies so incompetent? They were taken over by zombies in the mid-80s. Yeah, take a look at your bill. Does it say pay in Deutschmarks or brains? Can a ninja be a supermarket cashier? Are you kidding? We are masters of disguise! I am hidden behind the name tag of a supermarket cashier. Hello, my name is Punch You in the Face! What did the other ninjas say when you started to answer our questions? Not too much, but they were already ninjas, so they weren't really that yappy to begin with. If ninjas could have a mascot, what would their mascot be? A ninja with wings. How do you make a ninja grilled cheese sandwich? We don't. We make killed cheese sandwiches. Are there ninjas in all walks of life? No, but there is one ninja who's chosen to permanently hide in the Dire Straits song Walk of Life. How do you deal with killer koalas? Eucalyptouch. It looks just like eucalyptus, but it kills you as soon as it touches your lips. Thanks for the questions, world. I look forward to exploring your rich cultural histories and killing you with them. Hiya! This episode is sponsored by Take TV. Drag the files to your Take TV player, slip it in the TV cradle, and press play. It's as easy as taking teeth from an old person. Go check it out at take.tv. Do ninjas ever get lonely? You mean, are there nights when I sit alone in a cave, eating Cheese Whiz out of a can, naming my weapons and making little costumes for them so we can put on big elaborate productions of Puccini operas? No, I don't know what you're talking about. I've got friends. Get ready for International Day of the Ninja, December 5th. Throw your own party or come rock it out with me at the El Rey Theater in Los Angeles. Got Patton Oswalt, Hard and Firm, and yours truly answering live Asking Ninja questions. It's gonna be a heck of a good time. Check out Asking Ninja live at Ticketmaster.com.